Hi to my future employer. My name is Joan Belmonte from Philippines. I am 47 years old, high school graduate. I have four children. Ages are 26, 22, 9, and 7 years old. I have work experience before in Saudi Arabia for years. Last August 2021 until January 2025. My duties there are cleaning house, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes. I also take care of the five children of Madame. Ages are 9, 7, 5, 3, and 1-year-old baby. Three of them, every day I prepare food and things for school. And the 3-year-old girl and the 1-year-old baby boy, I give them milk and take them for shower, change diaper and clothes. If I have a free time, I play with them like blocks and puzzle. And also teach them how to count numbers and read the letters. And I am a hardworking, responsible, fast learner, kind and honest and trustworthy kind of person. So if you give me a chance to work in your home, I promise you 100% you will satisfied my job. And I also willing to learn more, and I will obey your follow your rules in your home. So thank you and hope to see you soon. God bless.